All right, folks, this video is going to be a quick one. I wanted to show you something I noticed a few days ago, and I hadn't seen this in any of the Excel Power Query channels that I visit. If we go up to Data and then Get Data, here's a list of all the categories for data connectors, but there's this new one up here called Get Data Preview. Normally, we would go from category to category trying to find our favorite connector. But if we go to Get Data Preview, this brings up a new window. I see some of the most popular categories here, plus access to my OneLake catalog. But if I choose View More, I get to see all of the connectors. We have nice, pretty icons, lengthy names. We can filter this by particular types of connectors, like database connectors or Power Platform or Fabric connectors, Azure, online services, or other in this case. We could even do a search. So if I came up here and typed in PDF, it would show all the PDF-based connectors. But if I typed in Azure, here are all the Azure-based connectors, because some of these connectors might cross categories. I'm not sure when this feature will be released widespread. Being part of the beta program, it's sort of a 50-50 on whether I see things or not. So I just noticed this a few days ago. I'm not even sure how long it's been around in preview, but I thought it was really neat, and I thought you might like to see what's on the road ahead for Power Query. Incidentally, this new data source preview window is in Excel's Power Query, but it doesn't present in Power BI's Power Query connector list. So I like the direction they're taking this. I think it looks really good. And if you don't have it now, hopefully it won't be too long before you get it. Thank you for watching, and remember, at BCTI, the learning never stops.